Within your pocket, this is the only auto locksmithing app with over 400 plus tutorials. Live community chat for on-job support, registration search, Lishy search to find the correct Lishy, POV videos, job booking and database CRM, stock tracking database, and this is available anywhere in the world. Here's how to get the most out of your AlterAcademy membership. This is the dashboard. Up the top, you'll see a search bar. This is a quick search feature. You can type in the make, model and year of the vehicle that you're working on, and this will bring up all of the relevant courses that we have. Also, it brings you up all of the independent courses we have that are targeted around Land Rover. Heading to the Learn tab, we have a huge library of videos that you can learn from in the comfort of your own home or out on a job. We have a newly released tab, so you can keep up to date on all of the new courses that we have released. Here we have a video of reading a KVM via soldering. We display all of the information, make, model and year, and step-by-step programming tutorials, as well as imagery referencing, and we also have a module section showing you step-by-step tutorials on how to carry out the job. Next up, we have a search tab for registration and VIN numbers, but we're going to come back to this a little bit later and show you how this works. Moving on to our shop tab, you can take advantage of exclusive member discounts while being a pro member on our academy. Moving on to our community chat support. If you're stuck on a job, need information or help, you can get live information from like-minded members from all over the world. We have a more tab in the bottom right-hand corner. This is where we move on to our job dashboard. You can use this as your calendar. You can book jobs in via make, model and year. We also have a customer CRM database, a finance section to show you profit and loss from the months, and also a stock tab, so you can keep on top of your stock that you have in the van. So to add a job, top right hand corner, there is an orange plus button. Once you've hit this, we're going to put in the registration or the VIN number to the vehicle that we are working on. And we are going to put in the scenario. So this is an add key. We're going to leave it on today's date. Then we're going to put in the customer's name and then the customer's phone number, along with the street address. If we hit add parts and inventory, this will bring up our inventory of stock. We can select what we are using, the price that we are charging for the job, how much the parts cost us. We can input the miles, charge that 40p a mile, and then we can book the job. So you'll see here, we have the job that's come up. So once we have booked the job in, you can see that the details are here, registration and customer information. We have a notes and photo section, so we can take notes and imagery of the job. We can also then write if there's a damaged part, and then we can save this to our job. We also have a waiver section that the customer can sign to say that they're happy and you have successfully carried out the job. Furthermore, we have a route section, so you can put this in your desired navigation of choice and navigate straight to the job. We have a preload text function that will text your customer that you are on the way, so you can save time. An invoicing system, so we can just invoice the customer straight away. And then furthermore, we have a reg search section. Hit the search button. This will put it into our registration database. This will show you everything about the vehicle, the VIN number, registered date, MOT, etc. Then it brings you over to the specs, imagery and then videos. We can also click open full course, and this will bring up the whole course for us, and then it will show us all of the relevant information on how to program a key with step-by-step programming tutorials. Back to the more tab, we have a Lishy search. Put in make and then the model and then the year of vehicle you are working on, and this will bring up the relevant Lishy pick. Under our more tab, we have a live POV jobs that I have carried out to show you step-by-step tutorial in a real working scenario. Heading back, we have a video search now. This can show you how to filter via tool. So if you only have the Key Tool Plus and you are only doing a lost key job, this will bring you up all of the lost key jobs that you can do with the Key Tool Plus. And then furthermore, you can select it by make, model and year. Heading on to our profile up the top, here is where you put the information in for your account. This will help you for emails and invoicing systems. So you'd put your email, your contact number and your address in here. And then scrolling down to the bottom, we also have a section where you can mute notifications on our community chat, as it does get busy sometimes. Here we also have is a staff dispatch account. This will be from a worker, so you don't have to give them access to the actual academy themselves. They can just log in via our staff portal and upload jobs to your CRM database. These quick buttons can be found from the home screen, as in Lishy search, the job dashboard database, and of course the video library. We have an on-job mode that will just blur everything on the app, so you can have an efficient workday with no interruptions. Simply toggle to go back to your normal screen. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Send us an email at support@alteracademy.co.uk.